Hi guys, we are here inside the campus of the De La Salle University in Taft Avenue, Malate, Manila. The original La Salle was built in the early part of the 20th century, around 1911, was located in Paco, Manila. However, due to the growing demand of students and its overcrowding, they moved here in 1921. This building that we are seeing right now is a H-shaped neoclassical building designed and won in a contest by renowned Filipino architect Tomas Mapua in 1916. In the years of war in 1945, a lot of atrocities during World War II took place in the campus of DLSU, particularly in its chapel, where around 16 brothers and 25 other civilians were murdered by the retreating Japanese. It was originally opened by the Lasallian brothers to be made into a refuge for the civilians. However, the Japanese seized the building, and so those atrocities took place inside the DLSU building. This is a 3.3 hectares property acquired by the Lasallian brothers before they moved here in 1920 and 1921. It's strategically located near Saints Co here in Taft Avenue. So we are here for the graduation of my nephew Gio Lorenzo, who just graduated this morning from DLSU. Congratulations, Gio, and DLSU. Bye!